So guys, I have this quick video for you today. I'm going to show you how to change when you open your File Explorer where it defaults to. I have mine defaulted here to this PC. You can also go up into here. You just click these buttons here and go to Options. And right away you can see here Open File Explorer 2. You have the options of this PC, which I have mine set to, or you have the option of Home, which is just this here. So you can make it just see this when you open File Explorer or see this. But there is actually another option as well, not listed in these options here, of opening your File Explorer directly to downloads. And so I'm going to show you how to do that with a quick download. Now, I created these registry entries. Just go to the link in the description below. And as always, yes, I understand that it's, people are always skeptical of downloading something that somebody on the internet told them to. So I totally get that. But I'm going to show you why this is safe. So if you go to the link down in the description below, it's my MediaFire account. Click download. We're just going to throw this on the desktop here. And I'll go ahead and minimize this. Close that out. It's a zip file, so let's just right click and extract it. And as you can see, it's going to extract right here to the desktop. So let's just throw that there. Okay, so we are presented with this folder. And as you can see, these three registry files are in here. Now I'm going to go through one by one and just show you what's in them, so you know that there's nothing malicious to them. If we right click each one, I'm just going to use Notepad++. You can see that this is a super simple registry file. It just goes to the registry right here, and it makes this change a D-word value of 000, lots of zeros and a 3. Okay, that is it for opening to download folder. If we go back in here and right click, quick access, and it with Notepad++, you'll see it's the same thing. Just simple registry files. Nothing big, nothing harmful. And if we do that to the last one, you will see it is the same. Just a registry entry is all it is. So again, open to download folder, open to quick access, open to PC. Or open to this PC. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you. Let's just put these side by side here. Let me move this a little bit. Now I'm going to show you by default when I open my File Explorer, it comes to this PC because here in options, that's what I have it set to. So let's go ahead and close this out. And all you have to do is go into here and double click open to download folder. Now when you do that, it's going to ask you to run it. You say yes, it's going to come up with all this, and it will tell you what could happen with with modifying registry, stuff like that. One thing that I do suggest is before you make any registry changes, do a registry backup. I've got a video on that as well that tells you how to do that. So anyway, from this point, we click yes, and then it basically tells you what it did here, that it has been successfully added to the registry. So it just adds that line of code that we saw in here to your registry. And so that was for open to download. So once we open up File Explorer, you can see up here, it's at the downloads. Now, I don't know why Windows decides to highlight this PC when it's opening to downloads. I'm not real sure. But as you can see, you are in the downloads folder. Now, at the same time, if we close this and we double click open to quick access, we hit run. Yes and okay. Now when we open File Explorer, you can see it's right up here at home and quick access. And let's just do the last one here. As you guys can see, I'm running these on my PC. Nothing bad's happening. Again, they're just registry entries. So let's double click this. Let's run it. Hit yes and okay. Open File Explorer. And we are back at this PC. Now, while it is super easy to open your File Explorer, go in here to options and tell it what you want it to open to, you can definitely do that without running these registry entries. But if you want it to open to the download folder, that is not an option in here. So that's where these registry entries come in handy. So I'm going to leave it at open to this PC because that is what I prefer. Anyway, guys, again, I know it's a little sketch in some people's minds about just downloading a file from some random dude on the internet. Grab the file, run it through VirusTotal, open it yourself with an editor by right-clicking and editing with whatever, and you can see that there's nothing malicious about it. It's simply just a registry entry. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for you for today. If this was helpful or cool or whatever in any way, click the like button and think about subscribing. Thanks, guys.